Today I'll make a creamy chicken liver pate with mushrooms, a great appetizer that can be served as a spread on toast, crackers, or baguette slices. Hi, welcome to my kitchen, and welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. Today I'm making something classic, simple, and very flavorful, a homemade pate that you can easily recreate at home. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. If you enjoy recipes like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps the channel grow and makes YouTube recommend my videos. Alright, let's start. This pate recipe was requested by one of my subscribers after watching my 10 most popular French dishes video, where I asked what French-inspired recipe I should make next, and pate was asked first. So here we go. First, I'll trim the white connective tissue and yellowish fat from the chicken livers. By the way, traditional French pate can be made from finely ground or blended pork, pork liver, and fat, but I chose the option with chicken liver for its more mild, creamy, and slightly sweet taste and velvety texture. In most recipes, the ingredients are similar, except for pork or chicken liver, of course. So I have about 1 pound of chicken liver here. Discard the fat and connective tissue, wash the liver in cold water, then drain and dry with paper towels. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium heat and let it melt and brown for about 3 minutes. Be careful not to burn it. Meanwhile, dice half of a medium sweet onion, or use a shallot to make it more French, and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Dice also 3 to 4 button mushrooms. I like the taste of mushrooms in pate. In France, they often use wild mushrooms, but it's not the season where I live now. And you don't have to chop everything too finely, as it will be pureed anyway. Sauté everything together in the browned butter on medium heat for about 5 minutes, then add the liver. Be sure to space the pieces well so they brown more evenly. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring with a spatula, but don't overcook. It should still remain slightly pink in the center of the liver chunks. Add 1/4 cup of brandy. Increase the heat to evaporate the alcohol. We just want the flavor to remain. Next, add 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Cook everything together for another 5 to 6 minutes. At the end, add 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and black pepper to taste. Transfer everything from the skillet to a blender or food processor and pulse for 20 to 30 seconds until smooth. Transfer the pâté to a bowl or container and chill for at least 1 hour in the refrigerator for better taste and texture. Serve with toasted bread or fresh baguette slices for a more authentic French experience. And that's it. Simple, homemade chicken liver pâté with mushrooms. Rich, creamy, and full of flavor. Perfect for any appetizer or even a quick snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps and I truly appreciate your support. Let me know in the comments what you think and what recipe you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bon appétit!